Yeah, hello everyone. I think I'm audible to all of you. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, hello everyone. I think I'm. Yes, so I think we're live. Okay, and today I just came live because there is a great announcement for you. Again, full stack data science batch is going to start. Okay, in live mode. So you will be getting this batch in Hindi and English. Okay, both. Language. And it would be happening on the Euron platform. Okay, I'll tell you about the course, but first of all, let's try to discuss the roadmap for the data science, because many people has the question, sir, I want to start my career with the data science, so what are the, let's say, step I should follow, which roadmap I should follow. Okay, so that's why I created the entire notebook, so maybe you can see, and even this notebook is also available over the Euron platform. If you go to the book section, from there you can get this. Fine. Okay, so guys, you can see, if you want to learn like data science, the first thing you have to know about the foundation. Okay, because see, if you're starting any kinds of technology, first of all, try to get familiar with the foundation. So inside foundation, what you have, the first thing you can learn about the introduction part of the data science. Unless and until you are not sure about the data science, like with the help of data science, what you can do, what are the application you have inside data science, what are the opportunity you have inside. Okay, so if you're not familiar with, so it won't be giving you the motivation to learn about data science. But once you get the introduction part of the data science, if you know about the application, you know about the use case, right, that time you will get more motivation to learn this particular data science. That's why at the very first stage, try to get familiar with the introduction part of the data science. Then you can start with the Python concept. Okay, because Python programming is super important. If you are going for any kinds of technology, you have to know about Python. Now inside Python, you can learn the basics Python, you can learn the medium Python, even you can also learn the advanced Python, which is nothing but object oriented programming and modular coding. So this OP and modular coding will help you whenever you will be implementing end-to-end projects. Okay, maybe in my YouTube channel you saw I also implemented lots of end-to-end projects, right, with the help of this advanced programming. So if you want to know that level of programming, you have to know about the advanced programming concept, definitely. Okay, it is recommended. And again, we have the Python course over our you can say Euron platform. You can check it out. So both free and paid course are available. If you want to join the live course, it is also available. So you can check it out, the live course as well. So let me show you the live course. So if I go to the live courses section, so here you can see Python mastery. Okay, both Hindi and English, in both mode you will see this particular course. And again, Sudhanshu sir is taking this particular, let's say, session. So again, you will be getting one amazing opportunity, guys, to attend his class, because he has started teaching again. So again, you can join this particular batch, okay, if you're interested in, let's say, live Python. Otherwise, you can also see the recorded course, it is also available. So let's say if I open the recorded course now, if I go to the free one, so see, Python is already there. Apart from that, in my YouTube channel also, I also published like Python tutorial, you can also refer it. Okay, so that's how we can complete the entire Python. Got it? So in this program, we are not going to focus on the Python, like let's say programming, because Python we have already published. Okay, so just try to complete the Python, then you can start with the data science part. I'll show you the syllabus, so you can see the syllabus, guys. So if you see the syllabus, so here directly we'll start with the data science concept. Okay, not the Python, because Python wise we already have the content. Okay, that's why we haven't included this particular Python in this particular program. Now, apart from that, you can see you have to know about some essential mathematics for the data science, because inside data science, you will be learning machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and so on, right? And whenever you will be learning, these are the, let's say, algorithm, you should know some mathematical concept like linear algebra, calculus, okay, statistics. So you should know these are the mathematics. And again, people face the difficulties are in linear algebra, there are so many topics. What are the topics we should learn? You have to learn vector and matrix. Inside calculus, you have, like, let's say, lots of concepts. So what are the topic you should learn? You should learn differential calculus and gradient descent. Okay, in a statistics also you have some concept like mean, median, mode, variance, standard deviation, probability, and so on. Okay, that means everything we don't need to learn. At the end, what are the things are required, okay, for the data science, we have to learn. These are the technology, these are the concept. Now you can start with the data wrangling and visualization, because going forward you will be analyzing the data, you will be doing the EDA part. So for this is important. Then you can see we have something called machine learning. So here you will be starting with the supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Okay, then you will be also learning like different algorithm. Even you will be also doing the hands-on part. You will be, let's say, picking up data, and on top of that you will be building the model. Okay, so inside advanced machine learning also you can see we have added some advanced algorithm. Then we'll also cover the SQL part. You can see SQL and database part. Then after that your deep learning will start. So inside deep learning we'll be learning about computer vision, okay, NLP. So each and everything is included. Then you can see also we'll try to cover some real world project. Okay, so here we'll try to implement the projects in an end-to-end manner. Even you will also get portfolio support. Let's say if you want to create your portfolio or resume, that time how you can do it, how you can mention your project. Okay, inside that every support you will be getting. Okay, so again you can see guys, this is the entire roadmap I have prepared. You can go through the entire roadmap because I'm not going to explain each and every line. Okay, if you can open it up and if you can just read it one more time, okay, you will be getting what are the things we need for the data science. And this is the course guys. Okay, the course link I have already mentioned in my description. From there you can check it out. So this course is starting on 14 December 2024, and you will be getting in both mode actually, English as well as the Hindi. Okay, so if you're interested in English, you can join in English. If you're interested in Hindi, you can join in Hindi. Okay, again the course mentor would be Sudhanshu sir. Okay, so he's going to take all the session. Okay, and I think you already know he has already, let's say, taken lots of batches. Okay, in different platform, even his own platform. So I think some of the people already attended his session, so I think you already know about him, right? So again this is going to be a like super opportunity for you, so you can join this particular program, okay, with Sudhanshu sir. So definitely you can learn, okay, most of the concept inside data science. So all the link I will mention in my description. From there you can check it out, and if you have any query, feel free, you can ask me. Okay, so you can connect me over my LinkedIn, you can also mail me, okay, and you can ask the question. So yes, this is the announcement. I just wanted to let you know because there are many people they are continuously asking, sir, when these kinds of live batch will start, and we you can join the live session of the machine learning, deep learning and all. So again you can see batch has started, and going forward we'll also, let's say, came up with like individual machine learning course, deep learning course and all. Okay, but if you don't want to take, let's say, one courses, let's say if you want to take all the services over the Euron, so what you can do, you can check this Euron Plus subscription. So if you're taking this Euron Plus subscription, so what will happen, you can access all the courses from the Euron platform, whether it's a live course, whether it's a recording course, whether it's a let's say any kinds of projects, books, okay, everything you can access, okay, by just only 2,999 INR. Very affordable guys. Okay, you can check it out. All the link I will mention in my description. From there you can check it out. Okay, so anyone having any query regarding this course, you can let me know. And if you need anything guys, if you, let's say, need any other course, you can let me know. We'll try to also prepare that content. Okay, apart from this full stack data science, I also started with actually some live batch. Also you can see generative AI masters has also started. Okay, so here I already started with like professional level LLM application development course, and apart from that, one MLOps masters course has also started. Okay, this is also in live mode, you can also check it out. Okay, but before starting these two courses, if you're not familiar with data science, first of all try to complete this particular data science, okay, full stack data science, because this data science will help you to understand all the core concept, okay, inside artificial intelligence. So that's why it's required. And you can see the class timing would be Saturday, Sunday, 10 AM IST to 12 PM IST. Okay, so yes, this was the announcement guys. So you can check this full stack data science if you're interested, okay, joining the live class. And apart from that, there are some batches also coming. I will also announce that one as well. Okay, so all the link would be mentioned in my description. From there you can check it out. With that guys, thank you so much for joining the session. Bye everyone, take care, bye, thank you.